Hi and welcome to this video. One morning you wake up, you try to run sudo apt update on Ubuntu and it's not working. You're getting this connection failed error for the Ubuntu repository links. So you can tell that the problem is with the Ubuntu links because all the other repositories are reachable. You can see all the others hit. That means they were reachable. The only ones with the errors are Ubuntu links. So let's see how to fix this. So before we continue, I have to tell you that I'm on Ubuntu 24.04. So if you're on Ubuntu 22.04 and below, don't worry. I'm also going to tell you how to fix it. It's just the same process, but something has changed in Ubuntu 24.04. So let's go and edit this link. And to edit this link, you just go to your sources link. So I'm going to clear the screen, Control L. So to edit your sources link, you can just do sudo. This is the official Ubuntu links. You can edit them using sudo apt edit sources. Enter. When you do this part, it's going to ask you to choose an editor. You're going to see Nano, Vim. Just go with number 2, which is Vim Basic. If you have Vim installed. For me, that step is not going to come up because I had already edited my sources earlier. So enter. And it's going to bring me to my sources. So if you're on Ubuntu 24.04, this is what you're going to see. The sources have moved to that. So you're going to need to edit that file. However, if you're on Ubuntu 22.04, it's going to give you your sources right there and you can edit them. So the sources for Ubuntu 24.04, you're going to see something like deb, that, and if you want to fix the issue, maybe you're in India and your mirror, the link for your mirror will be in.that. So the problem is probably with that link. So what you'll need to do is just change it. You can remove it. You can remove it completely and just use the default, or you can use the one for US dot, and make sure you change them all. All right. So maybe the next one as well, you change it to US, change the links. And then once you've changed them, you just save the file. And once you save, you just do sudo apt update and it should work this time round. So on Ubuntu 24.04, we have to edit this, and I'm just going to copy, escape, shift ZQ, VI, Control Shift V to edit the sources for Ubuntu 24.04. So I'm just going to enter, and you can see this is how the sources for Ubuntu 24.04 are. And my sources mirror link is for the Kenyan mirror, so I don't want to use that. That's where the problem is. Probably the server is down or something is wrong with the server. So I can change it. So I can remove it completely. I'm just going to delete, just press delete and delete. I will delete that. Anywhere else where we have the mirror link, there's nowhere else with the mirror link. I'm just going to save, and then I will do Shift ZZ to save on Vim. Now, if I do sudo apt update, everything should work correctly. So that's how you can fix it. If you have a specific problem with one of the repositories, I have a video that I did, I think last year, that shows you how to fix that. Just delete the repo link for whichever one that is giving you the problem, and I'll link to the video below. That is, if the link is being caused by one of the repositories that are not an Ubuntu repository.